Don't be a victim of crime. Introducing the Cal Double Bolt Lock, designed specifically for sliding glass doors. Developed with safety, security, and elegant design in mind, the Cal Double Bolt Lock metal-to-metal security provides a virtual burglar-proof sliding glass door as well as a child safety lock in your home. A patented design and only the highest quality materials are used in creating the Cal Double Bolt Lock. Just measure, drill, and install. Unlike the unsightly design of the patio door lock, the security screw lock, and the pin lock, there's nothing to put away, misplace, or bang around like the other sliding glass door locking systems. For the peace of mind your family and protection your home deserves, order the Cal Double Bolt Lock at